City has issued a warrant of arrest against former Zamboanga del Norte 1st District Representative Seth Frederick Jalosjos. The arrest was issued by Presiding Judge Rene Dondoyano of Dipolog City Regional Trial Court Branch 6. Also ordered arrested is his cousin Alan Jalosjos. They are facing charges of kidnapping and serious illegal detention. It happened in the Jalosjos-owned Dakak Park and Beach Resort in Dapitan City. On Facebook, supporters of the former lawmaker called this a dirty game of politics. Jalosjos is the son of former Zamboanga del Norte Representative Romeo Jalosjos. In 2019, he ran for governor of Zamboanga del Norte. He, however, lost to Governor Robert Uy.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.